You see a lot of motorhomes on the road, but you have never seen this type of motorhome. And trust me, the moment you see what is hiding inside this massive machine, you are going to understand why this is not just another RV. This is more like a luxury mansion, a private hotel, and a futuristic vehicle, all combined into one incredible motorhome. Welcome back to AS Motorzone. Today, we are taking a complete tour of one of the most extreme luxury motorhome designs you can imagine. From its aggressive black and gold exterior to its multiple living levels, private elevator, luxury lounge, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, cinema, and rooftop helipad, there is something surprising around almost every corner. So stay with me until the end, because the rooftop is where this motorhome takes things to another level. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior. This motorhome doesn't look like a traditional RV at all. It has a huge, futuristic body, finished in deep glossy black, with metallic gold lines running across the exterior and highlighting the shape of the vehicle. The combination gives it an extremely expensive appearance, almost like a luxury supercar transformed into a massive At the front, the design is aggressive and futuristic. You have a massive grille, sharp LED-style headlights, sculpted bodywork, and gold detailing surrounding the major elements. The windshield is enormous, giving the driver a commanding view of the road. And when you look down toward the bottom, the huge wheel arrangement immediately tells you that this machine was designed to make a serious visual statement. Move along the side, and things become even more impressive. Instead of one simple living area, this design features multiple levels of luxury space. Huge dark glass windows stretch across the body, allowing natural light to enter while maintaining that private, executive feel. Gold architectural lines connect the different sections, making the entire vehicle look like one futuristic structure rather than a collection of separate rooms. And then there are the wheels. There are multiple large wheels supporting this enormous motorhome, each one featuring a premium black and gold appearance. From a low camera angle, they make the vehicle look incredibly powerful. The gold rims contrast beautifully against the black tires and body, while the enormous size gives this motorhome a presence that would be impossible to ignore on an American highway. But the exterior is only the beginning. Step inside, and the atmosphere completely changes. The interior follows the same black and gold theme as the exterior. Glossy black surfaces, metallic gold accents, warm golden lighting, premium materials, and large windows create an environment that feels sophisticated without losing the futuristic character of the vehicle. The main lounge is one of the most important spaces inside. Instead of filling the area with a huge traditional sofa, this design uses 3 individual luxury single sofas positioned around an elegant table. Each seat gives the lounge a more exclusive, executive feeling. Imagine sitting here after driving for several hours, relaxing in a premium leather seat while the outside scenery moves past those enormous windows. Warm lighting surrounds the ceiling and architectural details, creating a comfortable atmosphere at night. And there is another feature that makes this lounge especially unusual. An elevator is integrated directly into the living area. Yes, an elevator inside a motorhome. The glass elevator is designed to connect the different levels of this massive vehicle. Its transparent walls, black structural frame, and gold accents fit perfectly with the rest of the interior. Instead of climbing several, and there is another feature that makes this lounge especially unusual. An elevator is integrated directly into the living area. Yes, an elevator inside a motorhome. The glass elevator is designed to connect the different levels of this massive vehicle. Its transparent walls, black structural frame, and gold accents fit perfectly with the rest of the interior. Instead of climbing several flights of stairs every time you want to move around, you can simply step inside and travel between the levels. That feature alone makes this motorhome feel completely different from anything you normally see on the highway. Now, let's move toward the bedroom. The bedroom is designed to be compact, but luxury is still the priority. You get a comfortable double bed surrounded by black and gold finishes, integrated storage, premium lighting, and carefully designed details that make use of every available inch. And that's important because this is still a motorhome. It shouldn't feel like an ordinary house bedroom. The space is designed around the shape and limitations of a moving vehicle, while still giving you a private place to relax and sleep. The dark interior, combined with warm gold lighting, creates a perfect nighttime atmosphere. But what happens when you need to prepare a meal? That's where the compact luxury kitchen comes in. This isn't some basic RV kitchen with a tiny countertop and ordinary cabinets. The design uses glossy black cabinetry, gold hardware, premium countertops, integrated appliances, a compact sink, and an induction cooking area. Everything is arranged to save space while maintaining the high-end appearance. The kitchen may be small, compared with a residential kitchen, but that's exactly what makes it impressive. Every cabinet, every surface, and every appliance has to earn its place inside a motorhome like this. And now, let's talk about the bathroom. The bathroom continues the same black hand-gold theme with a compact luxury layout. You get a premium vanity, illuminated mirror, gold fixtures, a modern toilet, and a glass shower area with elegant metallic gold framing. Again, the key is intelligent use of space. This isn't designed to feel like a huge hotel bathroom. Instead, it takes a limited area and turns it into a private luxury space that still feels modern, clean, and expensive. And if you're enjoying this tour so far, take a second to subscribe to AS Motorzone, because we bring you more incredible motorhomes, luxury vehicles, futuristic designs, and automotive concepts like this. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. Now, let's go upstairs. The upper levels completely change the experience. With huge glass sections and panoramic views, these spaces can become private lounges, relaxation areas, or entertainment zones. During the day, you could sit back and enjoy the scenery around you, while at night, the warm golden lighting transforms the entire interior into something that feels like a private luxury hotel moving down the highway. And then comes one of the most unexpected features, the private cinema. Imagine finishing a long day of traveling, stepping into your own compact cinema, sitting in a premium black seat, dimming the golden ambient lights, and watching a movie while you're inside your own moving luxury residence. The black body catches the sunlight. The gold trim highlights every curve. The massive wheels keep moving beneath the enormous structure. Cars pass by, people look over, and for a moment, everyone is wondering the same thing. What exactly is that? Because this isn't simply about getting from one destination to another. It's about bringing your entire luxury lifestyle with you. You have a lounge for relaxing, a kitchen for preparing meals, a private bedroom for sleeping, a bathroom for comfort, an elevator for moving between levels, entertainment spaces for enjoying your free time, a cinema for movie nights, and a rooftop helipad that takes the concept far beyond what we normally expect from an RV. And that's what makes this motorhome so fascinating. It takes the basic idea of a motorhome travel, comfort, freedom, and pushes it to an almost unbelievable level. Would you actually drive something this massive across America? Would you want a motorhome with multiple floors, a private elevator, a cinema, and a rooftop helipad? Let us know what you think in the comments. And if you enjoyed this incredible black and gold motorhome tour, don't forget to subscribe to AS Motorzone, turn on notifications, and stay with us for more futuristic motorhomes, luxury vehicles, and designs that make ordinary RVs look completely different. Because on this channel, we don't just show you vehicles, we show you what the future of luxury travel could look like.